Tape on it. Like that. Peel the tape off. Then up underneath here, the square of the paper I line up with the metal part so that it's all squared up. I'm loosening the screw. I loosen that screw and loosen that screw.
All right, so we're just going to test fire. There you go.
Moving it up and down and left and right.
And tightening the screws when I'm done. All right, they're tight now. Yep. So you draw a line through your burn marks so you know which ones you've already done. That's better. I'm just twisting it. Stop. Yeah, so I need to come way further this way. All right, let's give her a zap. Just see where it's at. Yep. Good enough. I ain't gonna mess with it. This is now number 1. So since we're high, we need to take this mirror and we need to bring it forward.
Okay.
And there's these 3 screws on the back. There's one up high. If I screw this guy in, he should tilt the mirror forward. If I back these 2 out, these little springs ought to pull it back this way. I'm going to try just a smidge on this guy. Now let's give it a shot. See if that does it. So I'm adjusting these bottom 2. Backing the screws out so that that mirror comes in like that. Yep.
So it went down just slightly. So now we're hitting the middle.
Because now we're testing from this mirror to that mirror. I push right in.
Yeah, it is kind of weird. Why would it be too vertical?
Fire! Goes on the screen.
There might be an issue with that mirror. We could look at the mirror and see if it's just dirty. This probably all happened because the tube was going bad. And when it was going bad, people kept bumping the power up.
Slowing down.
Not only did they bump it up, they slowed it down to like 0.5.
When it gets cool out. Bring it back over to the cool spot.
So remember, silver side on the back.
I always want it to be as good as it can get. And no more. Well, because that would violate being as good as it can get.
And it wouldn't have been as good as it can get because it could have gotten better.
There's a song in there somewhere. Not like a 70s happy song. partridge family saw.
This is 100 millimeter focal length. So this is actually supposed to be for cutting more, where the other 50 is more for etching slash cutting. This is supposed to do deeper cuts, but because it was misaligned, it looks like we damaged or destroyed the lens. So this is actually a 50.3 millimeter lens, I think. 50.8. So the question is, how do I install that in the tube? Do I put it convex side up or flat side up? And there seems to be some debate. But convex side up is what I usually do. So rubber gasket in between the retaining ring and the lens. So you can use this flat side of this key to tighten it down. So you get all the way down to the gasket. There you go. Can you see the actual lens at the center of that?
Yeah.
So that is actually a 20 millimeter lens with a 50.8 millimeter focal length. So.
Cool.
Loosen this up in here. This one, someone actually tested it and it got the focal length adjusted to where we got this line. So you just have to get that lined up. Get that all the way up in there where it's just at the edge, basically. And tighten him down. Ta-da!